in pajamas.
Like every other second, my future was blurry.
Potatoes. We just arrived. Oh my gosh. You can see the beach and then a little tiny kitchen. Oh, it lights up when you open it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm getting married soon, and of course that means we've got to have a bachelorette party. Some people call it a hens, some people call it a bachelorette party. I've been kind of saying them both interchangeably, but hopefully you'll know what I'm talking about if I say either one of those. I feel like everyone does their hens or bachelorette party a little bit differently depending on their preference. So I've been a part of a few different hens trips. I've helped organize some, I've just attended some, and I've really figured out what I like and don't like about those kinds of trips. And the main things that were really important to me was, one, keep it small. I didn't want a lot of people. That kind of just seems overwhelming to me. For my hens trip, I just wanted it to be me and my bridesmaids. And if you don't know, I have 2 bridesmaids, so there will just be 3 of us total. The second thing that I knew I wanted was really low key. I wanted it to be chill, and I wanted it to be fun, and I wanted it to be my version of fun. For me, I'm not a super crazy, outgoing, out there person. Yes, I love to hang out with my friends and just be stupid with them, but the whole idea of strippers, pole dancing, certain games, decorations, wasn't the vibe I wanted. But obviously if you're planning your own hens or you're a bridesmaid planning your bride's hens, just do whatever they want to do. It doesn't have to be stereotypical or super crazy. Just make sure you check with them and see what they want, and maybe they want something really chill and low-key as well. And the last thing that I really wanted was it not to be a crazy, expensive, insane trip. I've been a part of hens trips where I've had to pay a lot of money to be there or a lot of money to organize it, and I just didn't want that for my bridesmaids. I just feel uncomfortable being like, hey, would you like to be my bridesmaid? Now here, plan an entire trip for me, plan an entire bridal shower for me, and pay for it all yourselves. Like, no. that's not it for me. So my hens is very low key. There are plans as such, but they're very flexible. It's just kind of like we'll do whatever we feel like doing, but we have a lot of options. I was very involved in the planning process, but that's what I wanted. I hope that all makes sense. Again, I have no problem with other people doing whatever they want for their hens, for their bachelorette party. This is just what I wanted. This is just my perspective. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little prep video, and let's get straight into it. So it's Tuesday, the day before we leave for my hens, and there's a bunch of stuff I need to tick off today. I need to pack and go to the shops to get a few random things. Right now I've just stopped in at the thrift store. I just want to have a look if they have a couple things. They might not have anything, and it's just kind of like on my way to the shop, so part of me just wanted to have a little look, but I'll let you know if I get anything. Then after that we're heading off to Kmart. No luck at the thrift shop. Found some fun stuff though. Definitely should have got the Hens night glass. Such a big regret. But $10 at a thrift store? No. All of that shopping, and the only thing I walked away with was these mini umbrellas for some cocktails that we're making. Oh my gosh. I tried to find heels and stuff, but literally couldn't find anything. So this is all we got. Changed my top because I got really hot, and also I got dog hair all over the other one. But it's now 4 p.m. and my brain is kind of like just confused. Like I don't really know what I should be doing, but I have so much to do, but I don't know where to start. And I just feel really like jumbled and just a bit weird. So I think what I'm gonna do is I am going to put my phone away so I can't get distracted with that. And then I'm gonna try and kind of get my packing organized. I will show you guys what I'm packing, and then also just clean up my room because I feel like part of my brain feels messy because my environment is messy. And also I don't want to come home from this girls trip to a really messy room. So I think I'm gonna try and reorganize this space a little bit. Obviously I'm packing, so it's gonna look a bit messy anyway, but I'm gonna start with that. I want to finish packing. I have a bunch of things on my to-do list, so I'm gonna start smashing them out, but I'm just gonna put like a timer on and get as much done as I can, and I will update you guys. Actually, I might film a time lapse. We can have a little cleaning room time lapse. The don't know me, I really love giving gifts. And so I may have gone a little bit overboard, but I bought some gifts for my bridesmaids because I just thought it would be fun. I feel like my love language isn't receiving gifts, but I love giving gifts. Like, that is how I show people that I love them. Like, that is just, I love it, okay? And I thought it would be fun to show you in case you're a bridesmaid who's planning a hens and wants to do little gifts for the people going, or maybe you're a bride and want to bless your bridesmaids with gifts. Let's get straight into it. The main gift that I got them are matching pajamas, and these are so beautiful. These are from La Rose, I think it's called. I will link them down below. They're fairly reasonably priced in comparison to other pajamas that are this high quality. I didn't want to buy the really cheap pajamas like this because they feel cheap, but I also didn't want to spend hundreds of dollars at Peter Alexander, so these were a perfect in between. They came in this beautiful little packaging. I'll show you George's pair because I've already opened them, but I got the girls pink ones that kind of match their bridesmaid dresses. They're wearing pink but not this shade of pink, and I got myself the same pair but in white. So this is what the shorts look like, and they just have white piping and then obviously the matching top. They feel so nice, and I can just imagine it being so fun, or wearing our little matching pajamas, watching a movie and doing face masks and stuff. And yes, I'm so lame, but I just love it. To go with the pajamas, of course, I had to get slippers. So they're the matching pink, and I got a pair for myself as well. These are so soft and so cozy, and again, just kind of a fun little extra to add in. And lastly, I just got these really cute tie-dye crew socks from Cotton On. It's kind of hard to tell with the lighting, but they've just got this really cute pink tie-dye on them. I just couldn't pass these up. Like I said, we're definitely going to be having like a pamper night with face masks. So I got these little headbands that look like little bunny ears, which are so cute. And these are the ones you just put over your head to keep your hair out of your face while you're doing face masks. So these were really inexpensive, but so cute. These are just from Kmart, and of course, being pink and white, they kind of just match the theme of everything else. And I also picked up some face masks, of course. And then the last couple of things that I got, firstly, we have some personalized mugs. It's a very subtle personalization, but it's got the white mug and then kind of like a beigey creamy color in the shape of a letter. So this one's for Georgia. I hope you guys can see this properly. And this one is for Beck, and it has a bee on it. And again, I did get one for myself, so we can all be matching. And these are from Typo, I'm pretty sure. But the last thing that I got them both is a little Turkish towel from Cotton On. I have a Turkish towel that I absolutely love, and I just thought these were super cute. But that's all the little gifts that I got them. And let's move on to the next stage of prep. So I think I've pretty much finished packing. This is the main stuff. I still need to do toiletries and probably a couple last minute things, but I thought I'd show you everything that I'm packing and taking with me. Definitely have overpacked. I do acknowledge that. I think I will end up taking my big suitcase just to make it easier rather than carrying multiple little bags. I do have these two boxes. The bottom basket is filled with all the gifts that I showed you guys, and the top is just filled with random stuff. So we have Polaroid cameras, ice trays, we have some fashion tape, some paint and paint brushes for one of our activities, some extra face masks and body things and whatever, just random stuff that we need. And then we have our actual clothes and stuff. So I packed 2 activewear outfits, so like 2 sets in case we want to do any walks or anything. Then I have a couple daytime outfits, so I have a pair of denim shorts and a couple shirt options, which obviously don't need that many shirt options. Another shirt option to wear with these shorts that I'm going to take with me, but I'm currently wearing, but they're my favorites. Another daytime option, just some white shorts and a little beige top. Then we have a bunch of dresses. Obviously I won't wear all of these, but I like having options, and also some of them are a bit extra and I'd love to get a photo in them even if I can't end up wearing them. I don't know if I'm confident enough to wear them outside the house, but could be a fun photo opportunity. Then I have another going out outfit, but it's like jeans and a top, which I thought would be good. Then we just have a little packing cube full of bras, underwear, socks, all that sort of stuff. My little travel jewelry case from Princess Polly. A little lounge set, so just matching shorts and tee. This is also from Princess Polly, I love it. I'm packing my slippers and my pajamas, and the girls obviously have their matching ones as well. And then I have a crew neck, a flannel, and a denim jacket. I just like having options, okay? And then for shoes, I've just got 1 pair of heels. Don't know if I'll end up wearing heels or not. Really unsure. Classic white sneakers, some more casual slides but can still be worn with a nicer outfit. Walking shoes and thongs. Maybe I'll bring my Birks, but I'm not sure. Maybe I overpacked, but I'd rather overpack than underpack, to be honest, when I'm not paying for weight or anything like that. I've also got this little beach bag, which has my towel, sunscreen, swimmers, a little hat, all that sort of stuff. I just like to keep it all together, it just makes it easier. And then I can use this as my beach bag as well. Honestly, I'm pretty proud of this. That was such good and quick packing. That took me 4 minutes. I may end up taking out the beach bag and putting in my toiletries and makeup, but I'll go over it tomorrow. All packed and ready to go. I feel like I've got so much stuff. So I've got suitcase, some little boards for picnics, tripod, shoes, because I'm wearing these for now because I have an appointment to go to before that where I have to get changed. Easy to wear these and those. And then that box and that box and this bag. And we still have to do grocery shopping, and I already have the drinks in the car. Why do I have so much stuff for 3 days? 2 nights, 3 days. Oh my gosh. Let's get this car packed. I just made it to the Gold Coast. I did try to vlog on the way here. It didn't quite work out. Guys! Georgia and I, by the way, are driving separate cars because she's staying at the coast a few days longer, so she needs her car here. But I've had a bit of an annoying thing happen while I've been driving. I was driving behind a truck. A rock like flew up from their wheels and into my windscreen, and it's like created a crack in my windscreen, which is so frustrating. I really do have awful luck with cars. Like, things always go wrong. I'm not really sure exactly what I can do about it right now, but I've got to go meet Georgia and I'll talk to her about it. But I'll talk to my parents too and see what they think. But I'm trying not to let like little things like this ruin my trip, because it's also raining as well. It's fine. It's fine. Just not ideal. Made it to our pit stop. This is down to earth at Palm Beach. So if you can't hear me very well, it's like a main road right there. But just make sure you ask for the chocolate on top. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Uploads to nowhere. I can find a map that seemed to mark my place.
We are now heading into Coles to get our last minute grocery shopping done. We don't need a crazy amount of stuff because we are going out for a lot of dinners and stuff, but we need snacks, we need breakfast, food. People are staring at me. I think that's pretty much it. Breakfast, snacks, drinks.
I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you. I'm a scrub, but you still love me. You love me. I'm a scrub, but you still love me. You love me.
Coated sour.
What?
Salted caramel cocktail.
Oh, can we get a little bit?
Yeah, we can try that. Or just fudge balls. I thought we could try a couple. If it's good, that's gonna be sad.
You didn't even like salted caramel.
I know, but it looks fun.
This is a very nice scoop and away, I must say.
How cute.
Beautiful. Oh, they get better.
Very. 7 to 8. I reckon we get a bunch.
Yeah.
You reckon?
Yeah. Fill it up.
Heaps, right?
Yeah.
I feel like this happens like once a year. Like
Yeah.
for Christmas or birthdays.
One time I surprised you with a full bag.
Yeah.
I remember, because they stopped selling them for ages.
Yeah.
Bargain, worth it. Every step
When
of the
else
way.
am I going to be able to justify it?
Potatoes. Watermelon.
No one needs it. They put the fresh stuff at the bottom, guys. No?
Sure. I would just like to say, Rachel has
Coke?
an impeccable memory.
Do you like plain or salt and vinegar better?
Plain.
Plain, I do too. Good answer. That was the right thing, wasn't it? Beck, is this what you wanted?
I have no idea what brand.
I think she like messaged and said these ones don't have MSG in them. Natural chip Coke. Okay, chocolate.
Oh, yum, absolutely. Yeah.
Do you have faves?
I did just see these.
Soya sauce.
Pea snacks.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, what a banger. Rachel, your hair looks incredible.
Okay.
I'm obsessed with you.
I think it's about time for me to go. Like, I died.
Nothing.
Like I'm last
You can watch that back.
here. Johnny boy, my
Do you reckon it'll fit in the full bag? 3 bags?
Rachel, you are the queen of packing, so it might fit. I'll stop that. Just show off. Enjoy the beat.
We can.
Oh, contrary to what you see on the fat Asian gay man.
Grocery shopping is done and it's almost time to check in, so we're gonna head over to the accommodation. I don't know if I mentioned this, but Beck is meeting us there because her family is actually holidaying on the Gold Coast at the moment anyway. So we're gonna check in, drop off the groceries, and then go pick her up from where she's staying, which is really close by, and then bring her back. I hope that makes sense. Just arrived, heading up to the apartment now.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh, that's cool. So we have the bathroom, which is kind of like an open bathroom.
Crazy, look at your bed. Oh, so cute.
Very cute. Can see the beach, and then a little tiny kitchen. Oh, it lights up when you open it. I feel like I'm so hot and sweaty, but we just brought everything up. But I thought I'd give you kind of like a proper tour because I didn't really show you guys very well before. But I'm standing like right near the front door. It's a very weird layout because it's such like a narrow apartment, but it's like perfect location and really cute. So it may not look like it makes sense, but I think they've done a really good job with like the amount of space they had. So we have the front door, and then we just have this long corridor. In the hallway is where the bunk beds are, so this is where George and Beck are sleeping, and then through here there is a door here, but you walk into the main area, I guess. So this is where I will be sleeping, which is so nice. And then we just have this little mini bathroom, so we've got the sink and stuff on the outside, which is kind of cool, and then got the shower and just the toilet here as well. And I might actually open up these curtains, but there's doors right here that actually lead into the kitchen from the main bedroom. So we have the kitchen here, some drinks, some food. They have a bottle fridge there, oven, all the storage up the top. This is a little mini fridge in here, which actually fit all of our stuff way better than I thought it would. And then like a little dining area. So there's 4 stools here. We've just got all our stuff here right now, but that's really cute. And then we just have the little lounge room area. Again, very cute. Got a George out there on the balcony on those little seats. They've just got some like vintage photos of Burley, which is really cute. But yeah, that's our little apartment for the next couple of days. Beck's just coming over now. Hello. Hello. So I'm gonna set up their little gifts that I've done up for them. And I put them in my room. I feel like that's the easiest way to like surprise them, I guess. I might lay them out on my bed. All the prep is finished now that I've laid out those gifts. So I'm gonna end this vlog here, but I will be filming an actual vlog of what we get up to. It's just gonna be a separate vlog because I think otherwise it'd be way too long. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little prep video coming along with me, and I will see you guys really soon in the next vlog. Goodbye.